Hey guys, I just made this video and I deleted it, and so I have to redo it, but I just wanted to focus on my pocket today. Just a review of my pocket, see, like, I don't know, kind of promote it, I guess. Yeah, so I have Gymlax soft mesh on it right now with the 9 diamond top string, pretty tight. I got a nylon, a straight, and 2 U's. This is a good mixture. The U's give, if you guys don't know, U's give 6 hold, and then the straights and the nylon gives it more of like a fast release and not as much whip, but the U's give it whip, so it's a great mixture. And then the nylon gives it a little bit of pop when you throw it. I mean, I don't know, it's super nice. It's a good mixture. It's like mid whip, nice fast release. It's just awesome. Great, pretty great hold. Um, Here's the pocket. Here, let me pound it real quick. But yeah, here's the pocket. It's like a mid pocket. When I first strung it, it was kind of, no, I don't know. It was a little higher than this, but I mean, I like it just mid. It's probably good for every position. I play attack. Like most attack people have like low, mid-low pockets, like around here. I just like it straight in the middle of the head, or a little higher. I don't know why. I'm just a different attack player than most attack. Yeah, and it's good for midfield. I mean, it has a lot of hold. You're not gonna get. It's just right in the middle of the head. A mid pocket like this is great for all positions, even defense. Like, I don't recommend this head, the proton power, but I don't know. It's just a great pocket. Here's the channel on it. Sorry, it's kind of a weird angle. There it is. You can't really see it that well. It's pretty tight. I mean, it's a good channel. Here's the hold on it. So it comes out right, like, if it's past vertical, it's illegal, but it comes out like right here at vertical, so great hold. Sorry, my wrist still hurts a little. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. What should leave a comment? What you guys think I should name this pocket? It's my personal pocket. I've revealed the pattern in some of my other videos, but I'm not really gonna say it anymore because I don't know. I want this to be like my pocket and what I'm promoting to you guys. Like, I can stream for you guys. I kind of need to get my videos out there, so if you guys would share this video, or subscribe and whatever to help me out, that would be cool. Yeah. Leave a comment what you guys think I should name this pocket. It's great. Once my wrist heals, I'll do like a, I don't know, kind of shooting video. Yeah, probably shooting video. And I don't know, some other stuff. And when my stuff gets here that I ordered Saturday, hopefully it'll come tomorrow because I ordered it off Lacrosse Monkey, and I live in Colorado, and they ship from California, so it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, I don't know. You guys want me to stream anything? PM me. I can do whatever, like low pockets, high whip, like whatever you want me to. I can do it. Yeah, and hopefully, I don't know, the stringing is gonna help me get money, and then the money is gonna go towards my new stick, which is hopefully, I don't know if it's gonna happen, just because it's pretty expensive. It's gonna be like $200 for the stick strung and everything. yeah, my stringing that you guys hopefully let me do to your sticks will go towards that, and then whatever money I can make on the side will go towards that also, which I explained in my last video yesterday, is the Brian Clutch Elite with the SciTac Pro in red. And yeah, I'm gonna put throne mesh on it, and then I'm gonna do this pocket. I thought I was gonna do a Neg Karate pocket, but I decided not to. I'm just gonna stick with this pocket with all white with throne mesh, and then a black nylon and red shooter locks, just because he sells shooter locks. They're pretty cool. Instead of like tying knots like this, I don't know, it kind of stands out, and it will stand out with my shaft, so I'll probably do that. They're like 50 cents on his website. And yeah, so message me if you want me to string your sticks. Leave a comment. What do you think I should call my pocket? And yeah, PM me if you, like I said, want me to string your pockets, and kind of, I don't know, share your friends this video, I guess. I mean, that would help out a lot. So I can, get my stringing out there and show you guys how I string. And these new videos are going to be more set towards like better stringing like this instead of old stringing that I did on my friend's pockets. I'm going to lean towards more mesh stringing. I'm not good at traditional stringing, so mesh pockets. And hopefully I'll make my own wax mesh. I kind of already know what I'm going to do. And they're going to be like custom colors and whatever. So yeah, guys, just help me out, and it would be cool if you guys help me out and, got this video out there. And if you want me to string your sticks, just PM me. And also, if my stringing gets like popular, I'm not going to say I'm going to, because it's probably not going to happen for a while. I live in Colorado, and I was just going to make a Colorado theme stick, like, I don't know, probably like a Kryptolite 9, just a silver one, just so it's like plain shaft with a cool dyed head with a cool string job. I mean, I wanna do something like that just for a fun stick to have. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, PM me. Put in the comments what you think I should call this pocket, and that's about it. Thanks, guys.